Today's recipe is Stollen, which is a German traditional holiday pastry. The ingredients are 1 cup lukewarm whole milk, 3 teaspoons active dry yeast, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 4 cups all-purpose flour, plus a little extra for later, 1 large egg, 2 large egg yolks, 3/4 cup unsalted butter, room temperature, 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract, zest of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon salt, 3/4 teaspoon ground cardamom, 3/4 teaspoon ground mace, or you can substitute nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 8 ounces of marzipan or almond paste, 9 ounces of raisins, 3 ounces candied lemon peel, 3 ounces candied orange peel, 3 ounces blanched slivered or sliced almonds, and 1/3 cup dark rum, and let those ingredients sit and soak in the rum for about an hour. For the glaze, you'll need 1 stick of unsalted butter melted and powdered sugar. Stir the yeast and 2 tablespoons of the sugar into the lukewarm milk and let it rise in a warm place for 10 to 15 minutes until it's frothy. Place the flour, remaining sugar, egg yolks, butter, vanilla extract, lemon zest, salt, cardamom, mace or nutmeg, and cinnamon in the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with a dough hook. Add the yeast milk mixture. Push down the sides to make sure all the dry ingredients get mixed into your bread dough. Knead the dough on the bread setting for 7 or 8 minutes until it forms a nice round ball. Punch down the dough and add the soaked fruit nut mixture to the dough. If there's excess liquid, pour it out before adding the mixture to the dough. With the dough hook, knead the fruit nut mixture into the dough until combined. If the dough becomes too moist, add a little bit of extra flour until the dough pulls away from the sides of the bowl. I needed about a 1/4 cup. Turn it out onto a floured work surface and cut it into 2 equal halves. Press or roll each piece into an oval to about 1 inch thickness. Cut the marzipan roll in half and then roll each half out so that it will fit onto your Stollen. I had already done the first loaf, so what you're seeing is me completing the second. Fold the right side over, but not all the way, just to cover the roll of marzipan in the middle. And then the left side over the top of that. Seal the ends. And then set your loaf on a prepared pan. I use the seal pat, but you can use parchment as well. And then with the sides of your hands, make a trough on each side of your marzipan roll. Then you're going to cover it loosely with a piece of plastic. And let that rise in a warmed place for 40 to 60 minutes until it's puffy. Then you're going to bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes or until it's a golden brown. After the Stollen has sat for 5 minutes, use a toothpick to poke holes all over and then cover it in melted butter. Then generously sprinkle your powdered sugar